friends, today we're gonna build with this Lego Minecraft. Woo! It has a lot of blocks. Let's go try to unbox it. But my father didn't see it for 10 acres, so let's go test it if I can see. Got it excited. It smells, I'm in a mall. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Did you see that? Wow. So bye-bye. You're bad. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, let's see. There's a man. I don't know what is this. Ooh, there's some things. Even some this thing. Let's take them out. Let's see. Like this. Oh, this is so colorful. Huh? What is this? Funny. Whoa. Even this. Even some lights. I'll test them later. I'm excited. Okay, let's go see inside. Oh, that's good. Oh, I see it's a food cat. Wow. Okay, first I'm gonna build Steve. This time someone teach me, now I know how to open it. Okay, let's go open it. Wow, that's a cute man I've never seen in my life. Also there are blocks. Everything has blocks. Every time everything has blocks. Okay, first I will. Let me see the instruction. Let's see. So to put it, this is my first day. So let me put this. Okay. Whose body? This is the Steve's body. Okay. His arms. Where is his arms? His arms look like this. Light color. Okay. Oh, that's so difficult. Okay, so I'll put his arms later. First of all, let me put his hands. Let's put his hands. Whoa, this is amazing. I've never seen in my life. Okay, let's go do like this to his arm. Okay, let's go put right here. Put this. That is done. Okay, I'm done. And love is, you must see in the next video. Bye bye. Like and subscribe, share and comment down below. Okay, so I put his arm. Do you like it? Okay, let's go focus. Someone says focus, then I need to focus that names. Focus and focus. If you have studies, just focus, okay? So your teacher will get mad sometimes. Okay, focus. Put his head. Where am I putting his head? Cute. Very cute. Okay, then I need to put. Okay, where should I put? Okay, just like this. Okay. Okay, inside. Okay. Sorry, I break your hand. I'll fix it later. First, I need to put his arms. Okay. Then he can move his arms. Then he wants something else like this. Okay. Wait to put this. Okay, I'm done. So let's go put some hands. Hand section! First, let's go take out this. First, I will choose this thing. Okay, let's go take it out. Wow. Someone will mine today, like some ores. I'm just gonna take out this. I've never seen in my life, so let's go take it out. Take out this too. My bone's about to break. Fine, that took 1,000 years. Now let's go take out this. Okay, that was just nothing. So I'm tired of it, so I will use this. Okay, let's go. Okay, this thing's out, and this thing's not out, so I'll take it out later. Okay. So let's go start building because it's just gonna take some years. Okay. Let's see what will happen. I'll do it later because it's about to be 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock now, so 3 o'clock p.m. So I'll do it done. I'm almost done. So let's go see. Wow, it opens the light. So let's go turn it off. Okay. Let's see the instructions. First, we need to put this. Let's go take this. Then I'll put his hand. Okay. First, put like this, Steve, so you will have a hand. Don't be sad. I'm gonna give you some hand. Okay. Don't run here. Okay, just I have to put his hand, and he doesn't want a hand. No. This is really important. Do you know? Let's go put it. Oh, let's go put it right there. I think this is their section. Okay, I think it's their hand. So we should find another hand. I think that this should fit. Okay, this is gonna be so difficult. Okay, we should twist or something. So Steve is done. So let's go. First, we need to put this. Easy. We should take out it. I must put it right there so it won't be lost, and that will be turned absolutely useless. Let's go put